switch our attention and get into FPL Clinic. And FPL Clinic this week is a game week number 8. And we'll be talking about some differentials. First of all, let's start off with some player recommendations. So Saka looks to be back and back for the team Arsenal, and you can actually get Saka for some 9.9 million. Players that you can take out to bring in Saka include Joao Pedro. Don't worry. So he's one of the biggest player recommendations. Looking at the next 3 fixtures that he also has to play, that's Fulham, Crystal Palace, and Burnley. He could rack up a couple of points in that run. So he's one of your potential recommendations for the week. One player that you should avoid this week is the man Moise Caicedo. Moise Caicedo is a player for Chelsea and almost 400,000 Premier League Fantasy Premier League managers brought him in ahead of this game week. But I have news for you. Chelsea is trying to actually fix themselves. They had a very big bumper win over Liverpool prior to the international break, but he's not going to be taking penalties, and those shots that get cut back to him are going to be of the premium. His next 3 games are also very interesting to watch. That is against Forest, against Sunderland, and against Spurs. So we see what happens in that one. So you look at the 3 previous games, he got 4 points against Manchester United, 2 points against his former club, that is Brighton and Hove Albion, and 10 points versus Liverpool because he outperformed himself. That does not mean that you should bring him in immediately. So he's one of the players that a lot of people are bringing in, but you should actually avoid. One thing is, one of the big things that's happening this weekend is trying to find the right captain, and one of the captains that you should actually consider is Erling Haaland. Erling is going to be playing against the team Everton. Everton are going to be without the services of their most influential player this season, that is Jack Grealish, because he's on loan from Manchester City, so he's ineligible to play. Erling Haaland has been actually firing on all cylinders, both internationally and for club. And despite his hefty price tag, he's really performing. Looking at his next 3 games, he gets to play Everton, gets to play Aston Villa, gets to play Bournemouth. Look at his previous games, he's averaging some 9 points per game. It's very interesting. Now, Mohamed Salah has come under a lot of question is, should you sell, should you not sell? This is the last week for Mohamed Salah to actually prove against a team that he loves playing. So if you have Mohamed Salah in your team, please hold on to him for 1 more week. Just hold on to him for 1 more week. And next week, we would sell Salah if he still continues to get the points that he keeps getting. For instance, in the past 3 games, he's been getting 5, 2, and 2. That was against Everton, Crystal Palace, and then Chelsea. So those are the captaincy options. Now, to the big differentials for the week. Players who have been under-selected by FPL managers, but you really need to take a look at them. One of them is Anthony Gordon. He has been selected about 2.5% by the entire population of FPL managers, but he is one key player you should consider. His team is going to be playing against Brighton and Hove Albion, and Brighton and Hove Albion has shown that they are not able to actually stop people from scoring goals, and Anthony Gordon is one of such who can get those goals for you. Another player you should also consider is Dominic Calvert-Lewin. He's owned 1.4% by the entire population of FPL managers, and his team, that is Leeds United, will be playing Burnley. So consider that and enjoy FPL this weekend. Put your teams together. Tag me. Yes, you can also tag MX24sports_ on X, and I will get to decipher the teams and go through it. One of these days, we'll be doing a live stream as it's getting to deadline for FPL. Yeah, so remember the FPL deadline is tomorrow, but make sure your teams are done this night because you don't know what would happen tomorrow. Early morning is going to be FPL deadline around 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is going to be FPL deadline. So sort your teams out. It's very important. I hope you are enjoying the FPL clinic. We are fixing your teams. We are giving you the right injections and stuff. Anyways, that's FPL clinic for this weekend.